Okay guys, so I'm going to be making some chickpeas with pumpkin using some curry powder and biryani spice powder. All right, so here I have cut up 3 cloves of garlic. I rinsed out my chickpeas already. I have my pumpkin cut up. I have some onion cut up here. I'm also going to cut up 1 jalapeno pepper, and I'm also going to cut up 4 seasoning peppers. Right, so I'm gonna get to cutting up the rest of my peppers. Alright, so we have our seasoning peppers cut up. I'm gonna head outside and pick 2 big leaf thyme leaves in order to cut up to add to this as well. I'm also going to add some bush basil to it as well. So this is bush basil here. Let's add a piece of bush basil. I'm just going to pull the leaves off the bush basil, add it here to the chickpeas and garlic. And I'm just going to cut up the big leaf thyme. Alright, so I put some coconut oil there. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to fry up the onions, the 3 seasoning peppers, and the 1 jalapeno pepper. What I will do is add a little bit of pink Himalayan salt to my peppers and onions. What I'm also going to add to this is some dried curry leaves. Alright, what I'm also going to add to this here is 2 teaspoons of curry powder. Well, actually it's not really 2 teaspoons. I'm just finishing the curry powder that I had here. So that's a teaspoon and maybe a quarter of curry powder that I just added there. I'm going to fry up this curry for a while. And I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of the Malay Biryani. Where is it? There you are. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of the Malay Biryani spices. Okay. So 1 tablespoon of that. I will leave a link in the description for this. So this is the Malay chicken biryani spice. Alright, so I'm going to leave this to fry up a little bit and then I'll be back.
Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add in my chickpeas with my 3 cloves of garlic, big leaf thyme, and bush basil. I'm going to add in my pumpkin. I'm going to add some coconut milk. I'm going to add some chicken broth. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, alright, so let's cover this and allow this to cook.
All right, what I'm going to add to this is some tamarind dipping sauce. And I'm also going to add some an all-purpose seasoning blend. If you're interested, I'll leave a link in the description for the seasoning blend. Just mix everything and then you cover it again to continue to cook. All right, so what we're going to do now is taste for salt, because our pumpkin is more or less cooked, but we want to reduce some of this liquid. So I'm just going to taste to see if I need to add any more salt to this. Okay, so I could add some more salt. It's a little more sea salted. And now I'm just going to cook this down to reduce a little more of this liquid. I don't want so much liquid in it. Now, what you can do at this point is you can actually take out some of these chickpeas and blend it in order to help to give you a little more, a thicker gravy, so to speak. I think I might just do that. I might take out some of the chickpea and the pumpkin and just blend it and add it back to this. I think I'm going to do that now.